Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Tambe and my today's topic is biogas. Biogas is the mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter. In the absence of oxygen, primary constructs of methane and carbon dioxide, biogas can be produced from raw materials such as artificial waste, manufacture, municipality waste, plant material, swagging, green waste or food waste. Biogas is a renewable energy source. Biogas product by anaerobic digester with a methane, methanogen or albuquerque organism which digest material inside a closed system or fragmentation of biodegradable materials. This closed system is called anaerobic desert biodigester or bioreactor. Bioreactor. Biogas is a primary methane and carbon dioxide and may have small amount of hydrogen sulfide, moisture and silt oxygen. The gases methane, hydrogen, and carbon monoxide can be consumed or oxidized with oxygen. This energy release allow biogas to be used as a fuel. It can be used for any heating purpose such as cooking, and it can also be used in the gas engine to convert the energy in the gas into electricity and heat. Biogas can be composed after removal of carbon dioxide some way as natural gas is composed to CNG and used to power motor vehicle. In the United Kingdom, for example, biogas is established have to potential to replace around 70% of vehicle fuel. It a quadrifuel for renewable energy systems. In the some part of the world, biogas can be cleaned and upgraded to natural gas stand when it becomes biomethane. Biogas is constructed to be renewable source because its production and use cycle is continuous and it generate no net carbon dioxide. As the organic matter grown, it is converted and used. It then regrows in the continuously repeating cycle from a carbon presenting as much carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere in the growth of the primary bios resource as is released when the material is ultimate converted to energy. Thank you friends, like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.